This is day one of running my mobile detailing ads. I want to show you guys how it worked, how it's running, and yeah, I'm pretty excited about this because I've gotten pretty good results so far, and I want to show you guys how it looks like. So then let's hop in here. All right, so we got Melvin, got Bobby, and Seda. They both came into my pipeline. Well, we created it on July 9th. This is a long time ago. I already set this up. But yesterday is when we first started running. So let's go here. And this is some settings from the ad, what my areas that I'm running the ads for. And I just put the age range. Now here in the bottom, this is what the ad looks like for the comp.
Our owners in Frederick, Maryland and surrounding areas.
For this month, we've got another deal for you. We're offering a full interior detail for just $199. And the best part, we come to you and do a...
This is my description here, putting $199 interior detail special. Pretty much explain everything I do. It's a pretty good deal, I say so. Now I'm gonna show you guys how the ads look like in the back end. And here we are in Facebook Ads Manager. And as you guys can see, here's the ad. We'll go back to campaign. And here we're gonna see how we're doing. We already spent a total of, I think I spent more than this, $3.17. Now, so this is the automation part. This is when a customer submits their information, like right here, they submitted a trigger on the Facebook lead. Once it trigger, so when they come in, when the customer submits their information on Facebook, they automatically get this text message right here. It says, "Hi, contact name. This is Frederick Mobile Detail. We got your request for that $199 mobile detail deal. We come to you, just need to grab a time and date that works for you. What city and area are you in, and what's your vehicle type?" So yeah, once you submit that, another trigger goes in saying that another lead come in, value $200, and after that I get an internal notification, which I gotta change this because it's connected to my website too. I have a website form, and in my form it asks the customers the information like vehicle type, service request, things like that. And yeah, after 5 minutes, once the customer doesn't reply, it gets a notification. "Hi, content is still interested in your details. Possibly going fast, take two." Boom. And then it waits 24 hours. We got 3 people in our pipeline, which is 3 lines that I was testing on. So let's take them off. Yeah, I was testing with this. So after that, after 24 hours, it says another message saying, "Hey, name, last chance to get that one all detailed deal for Framework. You come to your home or office, no drop off needed. Just reply, and we'll get you scheduled for Frederick Mobile area." Boom. And yeah, so far we're running for not even 24 hours, and we're getting those results. So I'm gonna let it run for about 5 to 7 days, and we're gonna change some things, see what we can do to make this even better, and and guys, make more money. That's the whole point. Starting this up. And if you want me to set it up for your business, I can do it too. So I just want to show you guys how it's going for me. But